Sholape Adeshuyi, and I'm a legal practitioner. I've been practicing for about 15 years now, going 15 years. And my expertise is basically in corporate law and practice. Okay, so I've noticed a few things that have been happening to business owners and entrepreneurs, and I actually thought I should share knowledge with you, particularly as it relates to corporate law practice and your business, how to help your business. So today there's something that happened to someone who called me, and I felt I needed to share this because a whole lot of entrepreneurs make a few mistakes and things like this, and I know that this will come in handy for you. So it's all about you and seeing how your business can be better. Okay, so this friend of mine called me back in December, November, in the year of pandemic 2020. So he called to say, oh, Sholape, I think I'm in trouble, I need help. So what exactly? He runs a media company. We build websites for organizations and manage websites, provide content, quite a number of other things. So he was doing his business alone, and then after a while it got a bit big and decided to got more hands, more people to join him in doing this business. So apparently he had employed someone without clearly stating how certain things were going to work within the business. So this young man felt at the time, because his employer was not properly or didn't pay up. According to my friend, he said he was owing him half the salary of a month. Yes, half the salary of a month, because of course, we all know how challenging the year was, 2020. Okay, so, and then he had promised to pay at a particular time. But this young man felt he wasn't going to wait, he wasn't patient enough, and then he decided to hold him to ransom. Guess what he did? Because of course, IT skills, took all the information about some of his prime clients and decided that we're going to hold their back end, their login details, their website information to ransom and hold it against his employer. As a matter of fact, he began to use it as a tool for blackmail. He got to a point where he said he was going to pull down websites of clients because he was being owed half the salary of the month. Are you surprised? Okay, but that's what happened. So this young man called me, and I decided to, and I asked him, of course, my first question was, what kind of contract did you sign with him? Is he your full-time employer, or was he just to do certain things for you? And I said, oh, full-time. They agreed. He saw him, interviewed him, found that he was skillful, and said, okay, fine, let's get to this. How much I'm going to pay? I agree. But there was nothing formal. Nothing formal. There was no contract, and then he went on that way. Of course, we got to this point that the man was threatening because of salary, and then he called us. I can assure you, the young man was not going to back down until he got a phone call from us. The phone call, of course, made him to shift ground, because we made him know that he was dealing, he was going beyond his boundaries, his rights, and was going to land himself as a criminal with some criminal charges. Okay, so we were able to resolve that for him, but the truth is, he could have avoided that. And that's where my point is. A whole lot of employers, especially small enterprises, just starting, you feel that, okay, I don't have any formalities yet, I'm not sure I want to pay any lawyer to do this yet, and you just agree and say, come, let's start working. I know that you want to reduce costs and all that, but one of the things you should not jeopardize is the fact that you need proper contracts with employees. The moment you begin to think of bringing in other people to join you to work in your business, then you must clearly define the kind of relationship you want to have with your employees or with your workers. And that's where you need a sense of belonging. I think by all means that you should not compromise that decision. And at that point, remember, you need to think of the fact that you want to secure your clients, you want to protect your trade secrets, your business secrets. You want to be sure that your business is not going to be threatened. Neither do you want to put your clients in jeopardy. And that's why you must define, when I'm bringing in this person, am I bringing in as an employee? If it's an employee, what are his needs? What are his rights? What are the things he can do? What are the things he can't do? If he's creating something for me, who owns it? whose copyright is it? Does it belong to me or to him? Especially when you're dealing with IT and digital things nowadays, these are things that we must pay attention to. So I just want to counsel us, and I want us to keep it in mind as entrepreneurs. Ensure that when the moment you're beginning to think of employing someone, get legal counsel. Trust me, you will be saving more money than what you pay. So until I come to you next time with another interesting tip, and I'm sure you'll find it useful, keep thriving in your business, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you.